the front box for Camplet. Made out of the dark black design, made out of the solid durable plastic, lid to open and close, and you have a rubber seal around the edge, so when you are traveling it's nice and waterproof. 1.10 m in length, 40 centimeters in depth and 50 centimeters in height, and you can get a maximum of 40 kilograms inside the front box. The new design feature on the box is how easy it is to detach, so you can detach it off and use it around the campsite or around your camplet. As you see in here, 4 of these locking devices, and you can simply lift the box off the camplet. And if I just show you here, this is how they fit. So there's no drilling of the chassis. You get these brackets with it, and you get a guide within your pack to show you where they need to fit, and they simply bolt around the chassis for your front box to then rest on and lock into place. Really simple and easy to use.